Hey guys, it's my birthday today and I just turned 43 and somehow I ended up getting a free Aura Ring Gen 4 and I'm kind of counting that as like the best birthday gift ever for myself. I'll let you know how that happened in this chatty video today. This is just going to be a laid back video where I want to give you some personal updates. Okay, so first I'll just tell you what's going on and how I got a free Aura Ring. So this Aura Ring, it's basically like a health tracking device if you don't know, and it monitors your sleep, your heart rate, your body temperature, your oxygen levels at night, your activity levels, if you're exercising, all kinds of things. And this is something that has really been helping me to track my health metrics just to improve my sleep. That's my main thing. I can see if I'm overdoing it based on, my HRV and my sleep and my heart rate, so many different things. And I really, really like having it. It has helped me a lot over the last year, especially to try to fix my sleep. Recently though, I've had this one. This is my second purchase. I've had this for a year and a half, actually less than that. And some of the features stopped working. And so I ended up trying to contact someone through Best Buy. They gave me the runaround and it was really a little bit annoying trying to talk to their customer support, and they were like, couldn't help me because I didn't have Geek Squad protection, which doesn't even apply to this because you're supposed to have a 1-year warranty, but I didn't realize I had gone past the 1-year warranty. So I wasted my own time by trying to talk to them because that's where I purchased this. I don't recommend purchasing from there. If you're ever gonna buy one, get it directly from the Aura website. So then everything can be handled there because they're wonderful and a lot easier to chat with if you have to chat with customer support. So I ended up going on there because I was snooping around Reddit and I saw that some people were able to get help even past the 1-year warranty time. And I went on there, chatted with the lady, and I told her, it's the second purchase. And my first purchase, the first ring that I had, it died after about 2 years or just around the 2-year mark. And this is getting expensive to continually purchase one of these rings like every 2 years. And this time it's only been less than a year and a half. And I'm just wondering if they could help me out, even though I'm past the warranty time, if there's any way to get a replacement or something. And I really did not expect anything, but she was so friendly and offered to give me a refurbished replacement. And I was so excited, like, yes, thank you, I appreciate it so much. That's wonderful. I would be so happy to have that. But she had issues finding it in my size and the color, which is just silver. And I told her, any color is fine. I really didn't want black, but any color would be fine. Then she took a little time and she just couldn't find one. I think it was due to my size again. And so she ended up telling me that she's gonna send me a brand new Gen 4 Aura Ring, and I was just gonna get that upgrade for free. And that one is more pricey than the Gen 3. They're very similar. If this is something you're interested in getting, it's fine to get the Gen 3. It's a really good one. It's not like Gen 4 has all these new features. It doesn't, but I guess it's supposed to be more accurate, a little bit more lightweight, and the design is different, which I actually like how that one looks. And I was so shocked. And she also asked me what color I wanted or finish. And I just chose silver, which is the cheapest one, but I can't even believe that she also gave me that option to choose one, because if you choose a different finish, it's like $100 more for some of the other ones. And she seemed just like totally fine if I were to have chosen a more expensive one. But I was so unbelievably grateful that she wanted to send me the upgraded brand new Gen 4. I was just very happy with the silver one. And so I'm waiting for that to arrive. I feel like that's a wonderful, nice birthday present. I'm counting that to myself. So that was just unbelievable. And something else happened recently where I won something, and I'll just count that as a random birthday present to myself also. I don't know if some of you out there have seen the YouTube channel by Tati Westbrook. If you're a female around my age, you've probably seen her channel. She's been around for so long, and I don't watch her videos all the time. I'm not like super into makeup or anything, but I do find it relaxing to watch her videos sometimes. And she has this thing on her channel where she has the Tati list where you can sign up to be notified of when she has live streams. And also she's doing tons of giveaways. And so at some point I signed up for the list, but there's something wrong with either my phone number or something, because I don't really get notifications. I don't get any notifications, but I'm apparently on her list. And one day I went to get the mail. I was having a stressful day, having some problems at that time, and I got the mail and there was this box and it was from her. And I was like, oh my goodness. I thought I just won like a huge, not huge, a box full of makeup or something, because I didn't know that she did giveaways with other items besides makeup and skincare. And so I was just completely confused and shocked. I opened it up and I had like a gift set of products from the brand Sol de Janeiro. Here are some of the products. There's 2 more back there, and it was worth about $100. And these are products that I never ever would have purchased or tried on my own. I've just never been interested in them, although I have seen them talked about on her channel in the past. And I just thought that was the nicest thing. And also she did write handwritten notes to people, and I got mine here. I just think that's so sweet. It's just so, so sweet. And these products, if you're curious about them, they are some nice products. If you like fragranced items, then you might like this. They do smell absolutely amazing, and a little goes a long way. I can't use, too much of the spray over there. It's just so potent, but it does smell beautiful. It smells really, really good. And so this is a shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash. The body wash is really, really nice. The conditioner is really deeply hydrating for my dry hair. So I just thought that was really nice, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I have some goals like for my health and for my life for this year and beyond. And one of them is that I don't want to be so rigid in my ways. I have to push through being uncomfortable and push through different things that require me to change my ways in order to improve my sleep and to maintain the sleep that I'm getting, because my sleep has been a lot better. That's a really hot topic on my channel. There's a lot of people who have found my channel because of some videos that I've done on sleep issues, which are really, for me, strongly tied to my way of eating. And some people, think it's just so easy to just eat some of this and then you'll sleep better, but it's a lot trickier for some people. It's weird how complicated it seems, yet it also seems so simple. I am going to do whatever it takes to be strong and healthy and get great sleep. Now, when it comes to exercising, that's something that was a big part of my life many years ago, and I kind of fell off from it. I've never really stopped fully exercising or being active, but I didn't really give it enough of my time or enough of a focus, or I didn't make it like a big enough priority until more recently, and it's become something that is really, really helping me. And I just bought, oh, they're not there anymore, I moved them, some heavier weights from Rep. I bought some dumbbells, and these ones are 15 pounds, and they are kind of definitely at my upper limit as far as like doing reps with them. That's my upper limit, is these 15 pounds. I can do like 6 of them. And in the future, when I do an update video, I'll be improved. I'll be using those, and I'll need some heavier ones maybe, we'll see. Things are getting better. One thing some of you guys don't know, a couple of you know this about me. This was about, I can't believe this could have been like 18 years ago, or even 16 to 18 years ago. I taught myself contortion, and prior to that, I wasn't in the healthiest of states. I was probably like a little bit over the weight that I should have been, and it really like whipped me into shape to teach myself. I guess you could call me like a hobby contortionist, and it's something that I was super into and passionate about, and something that I spent about an hour on every day, like the stretching, back bending, front bending, hand balancing, things like that. And I got pretty flexible from it. I don't know why I ended up straying from it at some point and stopping it, but that just happened over time for some reason. But it kept me in really great shape just doing that, even though I wasn't lifting weights and I was just using, my own body to build up strength. And this might sound weird, at my age, but this could be an interesting video maybe where I try to see the type of progress I can have, because I made really fast progress at getting flexible back then and strong. And I'm really interested in seeing if I can get back to that and just become a lot more flexible also while becoming a lot stronger. And so that's something that I'm currently exploring and kind of getting into. I'm starting right now by building strength, so I'm focusing on that, but I'm also doing a lot of stretching. I just haven't done like certain stretches to really work on improving my flexibility if I want to take it to like a higher level of being like a hobby contortionist type of thing and like really getting into that. But that's something that I'm just now going to start getting into. It's a little bit of a really weird thing that very few people know, so I thought it would be fun to share that with you. There's so much more that I want to share, but sometimes it's just really hard to condense it all in to a little video. So I'm gonna try to be posting more often. I've been really enjoying posting more regularly. And so if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Holly and my channel is Life in DIY. Thank you guys so much for watching and take